Hello, welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new here, my name is Alana, and this week's video is a week in workouts. I thought this week would be a good week to film because normally 4 days of the week I'm in a Pilates class, but I've had a little bit of a schedule change this week, which has made my schedule less flexible. So I cannot go to my Pilates classes 4 times this week. So I thought I would show you how I still get my workouts in, get my steps in even when I'm not going to my regular classes. I'm still going to be going to those classes on Wednesday and Thursday this week, but for today, which is Monday, and tomorrow, I'm going to be doing more of a at-home workout. Basically, my goals every week is to go to Pilates 4 times a week, or do Pilates 4 times a week, and then 10,000 steps a day. I am on I think it's like a 53-day streak of 10,000 steps a day. 53 days. I love a streak. So a streak to me, I can't break it. Like, that is unbreakable. So every day I am up, I am walking 10,000 steps. If you've watched any of my previous videos, or like my what I eat in a days, you know that I'm kind of on this, like, I don't want to call it a weight loss journey, because I mean, I guess it kind of is. But I gained some weight during COVID and in my relationship, and I was starting to get to the point where I was feeling really uncomfortable in my body and how I looked and just like how I felt. And it all came to a head when I was in Australia in February, March, and April. I really just was like taking photos and I didn't like how I looked. I was uncomfortable with my fitness levels. I wasn't doing much activity. But anyway, it came to a head when I came home and I was like, I need to do something about this. And also my mental health when I came home was at an all-time low. And I figured what better way to get it back up than to start working out again. That being said, it is Monday it's almost 6 p.m. to be honest with you, which is later than I would have liked to have started this video, but the day just kind of escaped me. I had some work things I had to deal with. I signed to a background agency today, which you can go watch my most recent video, and that talks about all of that. The rest of this week, I will talk to you each day about what I'm doing, but today I'm going to, I don't know if you can see that, I have a treadmill here that I bought on Craigslist for 100 bucks. So I'm probably just gonna walk on that and watch some YouTube videos to get my steps in. I am at like just under 4,000 steps I think today. Ooh, 3,300, so I have quite a few to go. And then I'm not feeling like super high energy today, so I might just do like a 20-minute yoga or 20-minute like chill Pilates workout on the TV, just from like a YouTube video. I'll keep you posted on what I do. I'm in like jeans right now and I'm still on my laptop. I'm currently making my resume for acting, which you actually cannot see. Okay, you can't see it. Oh, now you, okay, kind of focused. But I'm making an acting resume. So I'm gonna finish that and then I will start my workout, whatever I'm doing, and I'll keep you posted. Mwah. Okay, I've been doing like sessions of 2,000 steps on the treadmill, and now I'm at 9,500, which I'll get by just walking around and taking off my makeup and making some tea tonight. But instead of doing anything like too crazy workout vibes, I'm not feeling that at all. And instead of just scrapping this video and being like, well, I didn't work out today, there's no point in doing that, I'm gonna honor my body and we're gonna do some mobility and stretching. We're gonna do some mobility, some stretching while we watch our Netflix show. We found free golf clubs.
I think we might have to.
I
think we might have to.
No.
And I know we'll figure somewhere out to put them, but I think we might have to.
Look how gross they are. We're not taking those.
I'm looking at new handles right now.
Anyways, all this to say, we're doing our little walk right now. This is our form of exercise today. I'm really sad today. My cat had to be put down, which I don't want to cry about it, so I'm just gonna move on. But safe to say, don't feel like exercising, didn't feel like doing anything. But I have Pilates in the morning, which I'm looking forward to getting out of my house and doing. And we'll just continue on our little daily walk, which he's decided to pick up those golf clubs, by the way.
This is how we get our steps in every day.
Not every day. I usually walk on the treadmill, which I did a lot of today, which was nice. Got a little bit of a sweat in. I think before we started this walk, I was at like 8,000 steps. So just a little short walk, but moving our bodies outside. Hello you guys, it is Wednesday. I just came home from a walk. I think it was like a 7,000 step walk, which is pretty good. I got coffee with a friend and we just walked. I'm feeling better today and I'm off to my Pilates class. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm gonna jump in my car now. It is a restorative class, so it's a little bit more slow moving, which is kind of nice that I get to start my week off at Pilates with this class, because usually I would have jumped right in on Monday, but it's a little bit more chill, so I'm looking forward to that. There's a substitute teacher though for this class, so not the regular woman that does it, so we'll see how that goes. And then tomorrow I think I have like a burn class, so it's a little bit more intense. I'm so happy that literally most of my steps are already done and it's not even 12 yet, so I don't have to be like stress walking on my treadmill later tonight, which is something that I do often do, just because I like to get my steps in. It's like a check mark, like it needs to be done for me in order to like basically go to bed, or I get like stressed out. But yeah, off to my Pilates class now. I can't film in there, but I'll talk a little bit afterwards about what we did. But I'm gonna go now. I just realized I forgot to close out this video because I was so distracted on Friday by my vacation that I just didn't work out at all. But that's fine because I did a ton of steps because I was out and about and walking around the town. But anyways, I wanted to wrap up this video. I will put my weekly stats on the screen right here so you can see like all my steps that I did, my like daily average. That's like the major thing for me is 10,000 steps a day. And then my workouts. Obviously I couldn't film in my Pilates classes, so I just tried to insert some clips of me like stretching beforehand. But it's a pretty, I feel like it's a pretty normal Pilates class. I've been doing it 4 times a week now for like 3 or 4 months and I absolutely love it. It's literally changed my body so much. But yeah, if you have any questions or if you want me to do another one of these videos, I'll try to be better at filming them. I don't know if it was that like interesting or anything, but I love watching people's workout routines. So if you want more videos like this, let me know. But other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.